Want to know what this guy's about? Stay tuned to find out. Ooh, that rhymed. So when I was sure I was going to relocate, it was clear I was going to need a hobby. Tribal Rhino was going to have to make a bit of a comeback. I already had the website, I already had the blog. I know, new logo time. So the old logo was a little dated. We needed something fresher, something newer, but something that ideally could be printed. A rhino perhaps? Well, okay, not a real one. There's a company called Ngwenya glass in Swaziland. They have a great story, you should probably check them out. But they do great little glass warthogs. But obviously, I want a rhino, just in the shape of a warthog. Confused yet? Fire up the OpenSCAD. I don't have a Quattro. So I won't bore you with the entire design process in OpenSCAD, but some cylinders for the legs, a couple of spheres for the bodies, another one for the head, a couple more for the ears, and a work of art for the main horn. Then it was off to my local printing buddy, and this guy came back. Pretty cool, but not quite right. Power up the blender. I needed a little help with Blender as I hadn't been in there for several years. But basically, after a bit of poking around, this guy came out. Now we have an awesome shape. Time to get his tribal on. In Blender you can use a process called UV mapping, which allows you to paint on the surface of your model. This is where the pain began. It seemed like such a good idea at the time, but after a couple of weeks I managed to export a model that Shapeways could print. After a couple more weeks, this fella arrived. Overall he's pretty impressive. In the meantime, I had realised that this wouldn't print on my Ultimaker or any other FDM based machine. So, out with a knife tool, a facelift later, and the model was ready. Engage the Ultimaker, back to my local 3D printing dude, and this is what we have. Affectionately known as Monty Rhino, he doesn't have a proper name yet, but that'll probably be the focus of a giveaway and a competition later. So what do you think? Pretty neat, huh? Well, that's the end of this one. So if you've enjoyed it, please thumb me up. If not, thumb me down and let me know why in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell as well so you'll know when I produce a new video. Thanks for watching.